video, we are going to review the volume of the prism. So over these two examples. Okay, in example number 1, we have a rectangular prism here. Let me just show you the properties. As you see, we have a rectangle on top and exactly same rectangle at bottom. These two rectangles called base. We simply need to calculate the area of this base and then multiply by depth of the prism, which is, we call them height. Okay, so let's conclude the formula of the rectangular prism. As a result, let me just have my pen. So this rectangle on top has length from here all the way to here is length of this is length of this rectangle on top, and this is width. Therefore the area is length times width. So the volume is area of base times height. Base is rectangle, so therefore the area of base, which is the rectangle, is length times width. And then you have to multiply this area by height. This one is height of the prism, or you can say this one is height. Both of them are the same. This is height, or you can say this one is height. So therefore the area of top should be multiplied by height. Let's give you some numerical value. In that case, I'm going to, let's say, the length be 10 centimeter. Let's width be 5 centimeter. And let's the height in that case be 6 centimeter. So as a result, just substituting the values, the volume would be length is 10 times width is 5 times height is 6. If you multiply in your head or using calculator, 10 times 5 times 6 would be 300. And the unit is centimeter, but using 3 dimension, centimeter cube should raise to the 3. So this is the volume of rectangular prism. Let's continue with example number 2 here. Okay, we have triangular prism. In that case, we have triangular prism. Let me just show you the property. As you see, we have a triangular on top, and identical to this exactly, we have the same triangle on bottom. These two are bases, and difference the length between these two triangles called height of the prism. Okay, so therefore first our job to calculate the area of this triangle. Let me just show you the information. Back to the question, it says the triangular prism is 7 centimeter high. Each base is isosceles, means this triangle is isosceles, this one. This is an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle with side length of 10. It means here is 10, here is 10, and the base is 12. Say 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 12 centimeter for the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is 10, 10, and from here to here all the way is 12. To calculate the area of this isosceles triangle, I need height. Okay, height is not given. What is the height? Let me just draw it for you. The height of this triangle all the way from top to bottom, this one, is not given. This is height. Okay, so therefore I have a triangle. I'm going to draw it here for you. And then we have this one and this, isn't it? I drew this one. So this is height. We don't have it. That one is 10. And this one is 12. When you draw the altitude or height of the triangle, it divides the base to two equal parts. It means here is 6 centimeter, that part is 6 centimeter, therefore here is 6. Now let's follow the Pythagorean theorem to calculate height. In that case, I can write down 10 square is equal h square plus 6 square. Do you agree? Yeah. Let's calculate. 10 to the 2 is 100. H square. 6 to the 2 would be 36. If you subtract 36 from both sides, 36, and subtract 36, 100 take away 36 would be 64, equal these two cancel out, would be h square. Next step, you have to take a root from both sides to get rid of a square. Therefore, h, or height of the triangle, is nothing but 8. Now you have this. You can calculate the area of base. Bring it up and calculate area of base. Therefore, area of base in that case is, because this is a triangle, is half of the base times height. Back to our question here. The base of this green triangle here, the base is 12. Agree? The base is 12, and height, the red one you calculated, you end up with 8. Yes. So therefore, area of base is half of our base is 12 times height you calculate, you end up with 8. So if you simplify, area of base is 2 and 12. If you can simplify, would be 6 times 8, and therefore area of base 6 times 8 would be 48. So now you have base, area of base. You can simply calculate the volume. What was the formula of volume? Formula of volume was area of base times height. So area of base is this one. You calculate it. Area of base is 48. Height. What's the height of this? Height is not this. Is not this. Is height of the prism. Height of the prism is given here in the question. It say the height of the prism is 7. It means this part is 7. This length is 7. And this length is 7. So the height of the prism is 7. Therefore, you have to multiply base by 7. As a result, let me change the color to see it better. Therefore, the volume 48 times 7 would be 336. You multiply these two together, would be 336. What's the unit is? Unit is centimeter. All the units are in centimeter, but volume always represented by Q. So therefore, final value is this. That's it. The volume of the triangular prism is 336 centimeter cubed. Thank you for watching, everybody. Till next video, good luck.